Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Long and satisfied for your life. Thank you, Papa.
Happy birthday, Pastor Pat!
Hi, Pastor. Happy birthday po. Thank you for being a great leader and thank you for the trust that you gave us.
Assignment.
Oy. Happy birthday, Papa Bear. You're 51 and loving it. Ite-text ko na lang ang message ko. I love you.
Wow.
Thank you for leading me to the promised land.
Happy birthday, Pastor Pat. We're blessed.
Ay, happy birthday, Pastor Pat.
Abatay ka na.
Happy birthday po, Pastor Pat. Yung mga tinuturo mo po, Pastor Pat, doon sa Bicol, I love the same. Pero, yun, okay yung mga, talagang mas na ano po yung mga tinuturo niyo po. Nagiging mas maliwanag yung tinuturo niyo.
Parang ano lang
Parang, okay, parang ang galing eh. Ang galing talaga nila.
Pasado ka na.
Kasado ka na. We're blessed.
Hello, Pastor Pat. Happy birthday. You're strong, healthy, and wise. Thank you.
Healthy, rich,
Yan.
anointed,
Yan.
blessed. That's my pastor.
Ay, ako
Saka
na lang.
maraming pera.
Paikabot. Hi, Pastor Pat. Thanks po for allowing us to come here. Thank you, Pastor Pat. You're the wisest man in town.
Still
in Bicol.
wiser.
Yes. Tatay po. Happy birthday.
Marami ka pong pera, Pastor.
Dali. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Happy birthday.